This is the Tesla Model 3 Performance. It's got dual electric motors, all-wheel drive, and enough torque to make a Mustang have a bad day. And speaking of Mustangs, I wonder if this Tesla can outrun the 460 horsepower muscle car in a straight line. Because even though it makes 10 less horsepower, it's got 51 more pound-feet of torque. And that torque comes on instantly. Plus it's got no gears to shift, so it just goes. For those of you who don't like math, that's 450 horsepower and 471 pound-feet of torque. With a curb weight of 4,100 pounds, you're looking at a power-to-weight ratio of 9-to-1. This should be pretty interesting. If you're new to the channel, I'm referring to our in-house 40-to-100 tests, and that Mustang GT just so happens to be the fastest car in this power level. Alright, so to do that crazy stuff that people talk about, go into this drive menu, driving, acceleration and sport, steering mode sport. There's no launch control, huh? Alright, guess I'm just gonna mash this pedal. God. Okay, that looked pretty fast. So let's go do another run for good measure. Wow, that was properly quick. But I'm not gonna lie, it felt a bit soulless. There's no screaming exhaust, no aggressive gear shifts, no engagement really. It's kind of like being taken for a roller coaster ride. Exhilarating, but you have absolutely no control over the excitement. Alright, let's just go see how this thing did. But before we get there, let's have a quick PSA about the word soulless. In my review video, I got a lot of flack from EV owners for using that word, but I think they completely misunderstood what I meant. Soul does not equal noise. A Tesla is much like an Amazon Kindle. You can download an infinite amount of stories, carry them all with you in the palm of your hand, and even use it as a computer. Most would say that you no longer need a book, but nothing beats the romance of sitting somewhere peaceful, turning the pages with your hand, and smelling the scent of the paper that the story is printed on. That is the definition of soul. So the Tesla Model 3 Performance did 40 to 100 in 6.33 seconds. Honestly, that's really fast for a car in this price range. It's faster than both the Mustang GT and the Lexus GSF, and both those cars have a better power-to-weight ratio. Another big advantage is that electric cars don't rely on internal combustion or the density of the air to make power. So what that means is that this car will pretty much run 6.33 regardless if it's hot or cold out. So keep that in mind next time you run into a Tesla. He doesn't have the same disadvantages as you do. But electric cars have a disadvantage at higher speeds. Past 115 miles per hour, the car pretty much hits a wall. It would need a lot more road to complete the 60 to 130 run despite having a really fast 40 to 100. That's where a gas-powered car with ratios can outrun it. Anyway, you know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe for new car content every Thursday. See y'all in the next video. So does it like do? So it does do something like that. Okay.
No, I do that all the time.